Sony mobiles offer great performance and durability, with features like waterproofing and scratch resistance. In this video, we'll show you flexible ways to back up and restore your Sony device, keeping your data safe from loss. Method 1. How to perform Sony backup and restore with Android Backup and Restore. If you are in search of a user-friendly, fast-running, and secure method to back up and restore Sony Xperia, suggest you giving priority to Multimedia Backup Manager for Android. How to back up Sony data to computer. Step 1. Launch the program after you download and install it on your computer. Then the initial interface will prompt you to link your Sony phone to the computer via a USB cable. Step 2. You may need to enable USB debugging on your phone for the automatic recognition. Once identified, it will show the window with the backup and restore options. Just click the backup option. Step 3. You'll get into the next page, where you can choose the data type as you want to back up. Then locate or create a folder on PC to store the backups. After that, click on Backup at the bottom to back up Sony Xperia to computer. How to restore data from backup to Sony. Step 1. Click Restore from the main interface and you are allowed to see all the backup contents you've just made. Step 2. Select your desired file type as and click on the Restore button at the bottom to get the restoration process started. Method 2. How to back up and restore Sony Xperia via Assistant for Android. Multimedia Assistant for Android Windows Mac lets you manage and edit data like contacts, SMS, photos, music, and more. It also allows selective or batch backup and restoration with a preview of your data. Step 1. Download, install this tool, and then open it on computer. Next, attach your Sony phone to computer via USB cable and follow the prompts to give permissions for the connection. Step 2. After that, please go to Super Toolkit from the main interface and choose the backup option to get to the next page. Step 3. Tick on the data file as you want to back up and then press Browse to locate a folder on computer for preservation. Then tap Backup to back up Sony Xperia to computer. Want to restore Sony Xperia from the backups? Follow the extremely easy manual please. Click on the Restore option under the Super Toolkit option and pick the file type as you'd like to restore. Next, hit Restore again to get the backups back to your Sony Xperia. Method 3. How to back up Sony Xperia and restore it using Google account. Step 1. Unlock your Sony. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts and select your Google account. Step 2. Turn on Sync for your data and tap Sync Now. Step 3. Sign in with the same account and tap Restore to get your data. Method 4. How to carry out Sony Xperia backup and restore with Xperia Companion. Download and install Xperia Companion. Connect Xperia via USB and enable file transfer. Click Backup, select Data, and Backup. Click Restore. Choose a backup and restore data. Method 5. How to back up and restore Sony using USB cable only. Multimedia files. Connect Sony via USB. Select MeTP. Open the drive. Go to DSIM camera and copy photos. To restore. Connect Sony. Find images and paste them.